Lead if we're gonna fight this, okay? Because I'm gonna mark their colors while I can.
Go. Hold northwest. I'm gonna zone.
So Solo King per my engage.
Are they fighting, Inori?
They're still fighting. They're still fighting.
Di ba ni fixed
They're
fight doon? Bro, mag-fixed fight doon.
Naka-cleanse ka cool Perma.
ahang ano,
Sorry,
ahang
sorry.
unsay tawag na Zerg.
Thank you, thank you.
No, someone's dying. Ito na.
Full
Oh.
zone, full zone, full zone.
Kining
Fighting na
ano?
ba dyan? Fighting na ba?
Solo.
Full
This
zone,
is
full
Solo.
zone.
This is Solo King versus
Wag
Mandala.
Wag mo na battle mata. Hold mo na, hold mo na. Full zone and hold. Need everyone, fully group.
Megatron is calling.
This mount ano,
Thank you,
papul
Lord.
only, papul only.
Broken na. Broken na
Put
Solo
up,
King.
put up.
Don't know see ya. Don't know see ya. Don't.
Na-counter
So,
yung ano Solo King. Wala na.
So yung dalawa is ano pa, fighting pa. Mandala and...
Di, wala na.
Only,
No,
No reject.
reject,
No,
no.
no reject. No.
Grouping pa dere. Grouping pa to dere.
so only Mandala that one, right?
Yeah, this is
Wala na.
Mandala now. This is just Mandala now.
No more
Level,
fighting.
level,
12,
level.
12.
Our... Where are we? We can fight, boys. Let's go.
Basta na sila yung 7-3 blood na execute.
Hey, come to me.
Alright.
Pull in. Come northeast.
I didn't see their GPS. I'm passing lead back to you. I don't know if they have second caller. I only marked their main caller.
Dallas
Yung-
counted you already
Smart, 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 smart.
Yawa,
Keep
Uzi.
walking. Walk, walk, walk. Keep walking, keep walking.
Two screen. Northwest. Straight.
Come, come, come. Come, high ground.
Downhill. Uphill.
Put up,
Nasa kabilang hill.
Kabilang hill.
Masakit
Then
yung
hold, hold,
head.
hold mo na. Actually, come to me, southwest. Come.
Party to color mark.
Come,
NW the better mount. Kiss NW only.
come.
North side looking.
Fill them
North
up,
side
fill them
looking.
up,
Caller
fill them up.
looking.
Careful. Wait. Stop.
No, wait. Hold on.
Don't talk till.
Position, and then hold.
Fake.
Hold. Ano.
Ah.
Go fake. Defense,
Going,
hold
going, going.
the front. Hold mo na. Don't counter. Hold, boys. Hold. Come back. Hold, boys. Hold. Go fake muna, ano? Yam. Go fake.
Wait.
5 seconds.
Aga na may ka-fake, faking lang. Hindi, front.
Red letter dol, west side.
West side. Okay, ready. Hold. Come southwest a bit.
Cleric,
Come southwest a
cleric.
bit. Come southwest a bit. Hold. Engage shallow northwest. Northwest. Hold.
Bomb squad.
Depth. Hold.
Fake
Holding.
lang.
Holding. Northwest, boys.
Defend.
Seals. Don't counter. Come to me. Position. Hold and heal. Boys.
Open mo isa.
DPS. Angle yourself west. Actually, come high ground.
Feel the downhill going down. Downhill northeast mo mega. Downhill. Dalawang choke.
Rejects no, level 10 and west blob.
West side.
Come southeast. Mount up. Mount. Come.
May solo king pa rin mega.
Southeast.
Level 11 rejects no.
Okay. Come to me. Follow the count. Don't twist the plan, okay?
Nile Scott rejects na
Mandala ko. Okay, mandala ko.
Just come. Hold mo na dito.
Yatag ang roll kay Shax Mega para mag-mark.
Rejects
color.
na 1.
Hold mo na dito. Hold.
Mega, give party lead to
Going
Shax.
north. Going north.
Come,
Wag
come,
na.
It's okay, Nori.
May bagong blob.
Hold mo na. Are they facing each other?
No.
No.
Mandala on my ping.
Reject
northwest on my ping.
walking northwest.
West of my ping.
Mandalas just walking. on
Tingnan ko yung
on the
bagong
east.
blob northeast.
Dismounted Mandala.
Blob. South.
They're on my west. Northwest.
Come. This one here.
I'm
This
in
one.
northeast.
Smart.
Too far nin for screen.
Not in west of my ping.
Just walk.
Wait. What's this
I think
other blob
Rejects
here?
now is going to the outpost. They might go fight the
going
outpost. Yeah.
Blobs out
Solo,
on my ano.
Solo King. This is Solo King.
Come to me.
Mounted pa rin
I'm going back.
Going east.
I'm going back.
East of me.
Iniwan ko yung
Hold,
dalawang
hold,
laba.
West side.
Balik ako sa inyo.
Hold. Come high
Wild
ground.
dogs to. Sila flutter to.
Come on ground. Careful word.
West side. Careful west.
Hold, boys. Hold. Keep holding, keep
Stop,
holding, keep holding.
Insert
L
your time.
Stacy, L
Position
Stacy.
yourself north. Position yourself north. Hold.
Wait, Macaron 90 no? Macaron 90 on your southwest.
Yep. I saw it. Hold.
Uy, si Muji
Come
Kabon.
down. Angle yourself east. Angle yourself east.
What the fuck, their healer on ano, assassin jacket.
And then southeast. Angle yourself southeast.
Ano? Antebral.
I'm gonna make a fake, faking.
Range na yun, bantay na yun.
Hold. Fake lang. Uy. Hold. Go make a fake, Yam. Go make a fake. Go fake. Hold. Engage shallow southwest. Engage shallow
Ready, Demon.
southwest. Ready? Engage shallow southwest. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. See that guy? Come
Ready, Demon.
back east. Pull
Low,
back.
Demon.
Hold, boys. Go on them. Go on them. CC them.
Kill the healer.
Go on them. Angle is
Healer behind, Nin, we can kill the one healer. We can kill the one healer behind.
Look at the count. Ready?
On your north.
5, 4, 3,
On your
2,
north.
1. Count.
Looking now. They're looking.
Pull them.
Looking now.
J, go.
Go on them. See.
I'm gonna.
Keep CC. And look at the crown, DPS. Look at the crown, ha? Look at the crown. Hold. Look at the crown. Hold after GA. Look at the crown. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crown. Inside. Nice division. Come southeast.
Looking na. Turning na.
Front. Go back. Tanks. Ready def front.
Looking sa inyo front.
Yam. Go make a fake Yam. Full def.
Eh, naka-GA.
Nag-miss.
Go fake. Hold, boys. Hold. Full go
Tong
on me.
healer, oh. Kanina pa tong healer, oh.
Full go on me.
Nin, you can engage the healer, ah.
Count. Pull back. Southeast. And then hold. Guard run.
Careful, Alice.
5 seconds.
Gonna make a fake. Faking. Hold, boys.
Booking
Hold.
sila.
Look at the crowd. Ready? Look at the crowd. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Count.
Headbutt.
Go on them.
They missed them.
Go. CC them, boys. CC them. We're gonna engage deep, boys. Go. CC them. Ready, DPS? Ready?
Don't.
Ram. 10. Okay. I'm gonna make a fake. Faking. Look at the people behind.
East side.
Engage inside of us. Ready? In 5. After the J.
Yeah.
4, 3, 2, 1. After the G.
Looking.
Come back
Looking for counter.
Come back southeast. Ready potion. Come back southeast. Ready potion.
Effect.
Come back southeast. Ready potion. Hold.
Looking nga.
Go on them. I'm gonna make a faking. Ready, DPS?
Yeah.
Ready. And the crowd ready in 5, 4. No. Hold. Inside of us, ready. Runbreaker southeast. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Runbreaker. Hindi na uli. Come back.
Ayun na.
Come back southeast.
Looking na. Careful.
Hold, boys. Hold.
J.
Go on them now.
DPS ready.
Keep CC. Look at DPS. Ready?
J.
Hold. Look at the ground. Southwest. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest. Nice 2. And then hold.
Kill this. Naka-demon siya.
Ready. Stop. Potion. Go on them. Potion. Go on them. Pop your potion, boys. Go. Keep CC. And then ready. Now look at me. Look at the ground. Northwest shallow ready. 5, 4. No. After. Hold.
Goyods ng test. Hold.
Look at
West in. Hard west.
3, 2, 1. Count. Massive.
Nice kill.
Come southeast. Stabilize.
Running.
They're running northwest.
They're still kiting.
Go. Chase. Full chase.
Reject on your ano ah.
Check some mount it up. Still mount it up. Northwest.
They're running. Full running.
7-3, Nen.
Don't.
Hello, 7-3.
7-3 on me. Ha, ito.
7-3.
Ito. 70 riff on me. 70 riff. The riff. Kill the riff.
Kolarko. Hello. Kolarko.
Si Enzai. Na din, si Enzai.
The alarm is also 7-3. The alarm is also 7-3. It's going
Oh,
like
kill
this.
that.
Don't pity, guys.
Tagumon.
Ah, puta
Okay.
na.
Matap.
Nag-crash.
Yan sila.
We go to the to the better fight.
Lods dito kanang big and player 1B pinamay mo siya pag gani.
Amat. Kilat kay.
Kill this idiot,
Yaw
bro.
ka siya to gabambang sa Lods mo correct Lods sa likod.
O ba?
Oh, siya ni.
Touch okay, legit. Touch okay na.
Pinayagan lang ni Mega Boy.
Unay
May
doon.
pang spot sa likod.
Touch nyo.
Di ba dogs to dati?
Huwag nyo pa. Huwag nyo muna pa.
Vulture.
Kasi P1.
Normal
P1.
it.
Hindi, iba to.
Iba yan na
Ay,
play.
iba yan.
Hindi.
Ibang P1 yan.
Ay, ba?
Iba ba yan?
I'm checking.
What up?
Titan is in the zone 3 disarray, okay?
Okay, come.
Di man lang nakapag-English na maayos yun ah.
I'm checking now. Mounted mandala. Ay,
Cheer.
Hello?
Lagi cheer.
Ano nag-zoo?
Pull up on me.
I think
Ano?
mandala. Skill
Ano
lost.
update?
Skill lost.
Come southeast. Who are the people?
All the villains. No disarray, but they won against They won against
Come to me.
Titan.
Full
Mounting
push
now.
on me.
full brawl.
Dismount.
I know, brawl clap, all the villains.
Dismount. We kite, sa
They're
outpost.
mounting. They're half.
You can see the bug. Engage like, pasisi. Engage, full engage. Perma.
Drop na.
Come back southeast.
Ikan,
Mandala is still spread.
Come southeast.
Wait, so hard north. Solo King versus ano? Peace Park.
Come.
Solo King versus Peace Park. Kiting west. This is the backline of
Hey, careful of the villains on our southwest, okay? Careful of the villains on our southwest.
Come to me.
Mulingin ko. Sige lang, Shucks. Ako bala.
Okay, ako front, ikaw ba?
Go front.
on the north.
How much? We're in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West.
I'll go east.
Careful north. Ready, get north.
Kite southwest.
Careful north, ha? They still have engaged.
Cross southwest. Position yourself southwest.
Kuya, nag-DC ka ba?
Southwest.
Hindi.
Hold.
Gagawin ka kumakain?
Walk southwest.
Walk.
Come to the choke. South. Guard. Then hold. I'm gonna make a faking left.
Villains sa west.
Come southwest.
Ingat dito, Ned.
Lure them in. He's shot at the front. Ready? Hold. Hard 35, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fight.
All the villains west 9. Ay, saan 9? West
Walking nga.
South.
East.
Gala inside you ah.
Push on. Come south.
Gala inside you.
Dimon.
East. Then northeast. Press up. Kite northeast. Keep walking northeast. Full go.
Head front.
Feeling.
Look at the
Wala kay comms din.
4, 3, 2, 1. Gala.
Wala kay comms din.
Northeast. Kite northeast.
Here you go, return.
Kite.
The front.
Keep walking southeast. Come southeast, boys. Come southeast.
2 healers down.
Keep walking.
Demon.
Keep walking southeast. Keep walking. Heels up. Look at the ground. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Run. Bullshit.
Na-flank tayo.
Hinintay lang tayo mag-engage.
We really need to give up that choke, Nin. We can't hold that choke because there's a lot of Zerg inside the map. We can't hold choke against that big.
I thought they're not fighting anymore. Yung all the villains.
No, they're gonna fight because they're full brawl. Even if they lost one or two, Even if they lost one or two, guys, they can still fight because they're brawling.
And they aim us, right?
Hindi tayo na corner. Tayo yung na-sandwich tayo, Mega.
Go again. Heal up. Insurgents want to. Go again.
Yeah, that's okay though.
My bad.
It's okay.
All
Mga
good.
engage Lods, mga ego Lods, taro mga Lods.
Wala
Ilang
wala
words?
akong dunggan. Wala akong pingo.
Dili ibang mga hook ba, wala nothing. Wala, di mga ego, mga miss.
Hilang.
Mega,
Kailan, Liz?
your mama daw, pa-accept kung application sa git.
Naim, tingog din na.
Natati din.
Ay, palang pisa.
Nin. We got fucked by two Astral.
Ewan.
Two Astral.
Yeah,
Di kaya
I mean,
na sustain yun.
Two Astral with dinner, Nin. I can't do shit.
Get up. Same gear. We go again. Rematch daw, rematch.
If you want it, we can fight it twice. So there's no rat. I mean, there's no third party. We can 1v1 here. While they're fighting there.
Place your
Or
summit.
precipice.
Different, fight na to eh. Pwede pa tayo sa, ano, sa...
You can choose
summit.
another map.
Oo, pwede tayo
Malayong
sa
di
Sina Arnold.
makakating.
lower.
Lingawatan tatay. Maro kay sila dol, wala sila ni flank sa hard west dol. May pang ni-call out ko nga kondol po siya southwest dol. Ambot ay, hindi sa tawad-tugad.
Dinagid to madalag kuan. Apes together strong.
Lisod na to dol. Namagod at tubangan. Di ba ni-engage ka rin? Kung dol, southwest na mo dol. Ambot ay. I tried my best. But my best wasn't enough.
Guys, one more.
Gini.
one more.
Gini ko doon, Claude, yung odds para di kayo maklop.
Kasi nawala lagi ang comms call. Nawala ang comms call. Kasi lagi sakit-sakit og comms. Naligi ko comms gani ah. Naunsa ka? Wala man.
Ako ata. Hindi, wala akong naririnig. Gala ko na ano
Di, lag ka. Ikaw lang. Narinig namin.
Kaya pala, yawa.
Pero narinig ka namin. Pero hindi mo kami naririnig.
Guys,
Fight,
fight.
fight.
Like clip expand yung fight. Hold southwest, come.
Sorry.
Sila, arbak lang ako, arbak.
All good, sir. All good, sir.
Wala namang namatay na battle mount, di ba?
Wala. Hindi ako mamamatay doon, par. Kita ko,
Okay.
mamamatay na kayo lahat.
Hold
Goodbye.
southwest.
Goodbye.
Yawa kang galanin. Gistol gid lagi
Mo sa
niya.
gala eh.
Gistol niya Verge no?
Galantin
Hindi, play bay. Gistol gid niya kayo bay.
Dapat dito sa kanang Pittsburgh madalas ay na sila sukla dyan eh.
Delete ko sa Galatin.
Roll dyan na sila. Wala, ano sa taga-content vlogs, promise kanang Pittsburgh, ayun ang taga-content dyan, legit.
Alan, siya 1.5 niya ate. Parang kapamilig ka.
Mega, loot 1 or loot 2?
Sab sa ili na ka, boss. May nakulang ka, boss.
Gilad.
Just play loot 1, loot 1.
Loot 1 still, same.
Ready?
Loot 1 was 12 UTC. Okay.
Wala lang, wala lang.
Wala siya nakaroon ganito.
Yeah, we
Galing
have
nga. Lingawan ang tanong ko sa kong weapon eh. Bukuhan na yung weapon eh.
Pero sa'yo naman kayo.
Okay ba chariot or mag-bastion ako? Mas okay chariot, diba?
Mas okay yata chariot.
Mas okay pa yung chariot.
Nasok naman yung first ano nila eh. Kaso nung wala nang di
Hindi, malaki impact talaga sa ano. Yung smuggler. Makapag-smuggler yung mga tao.
Samoy Joestar. Okay na?
Smuggler Mart Locket. Grabe yung impact na.
Lolo, Joestar. Ready? Birch.
Lang.
Malaki ba ba? Spec mo niyan, Shocks?
Solo King holding.
Dali ang cooldown mo.
Ando na sila sa expanse. Waiting for us, guys.
Uy, manan ako.
Labat.
Saan pa malapit dito, no? Sakto na.
Shocks ko lang.
South, faster.
Tagan mo.
Unless you want to go to peak.
Okay, ready.
White clip expanse yung away. South pala. Tara.
Ikaw, if you want to pass by clips, then south. If you want to pass by...
Let's go.
Shocks ko lang ka sa potion.
Asa na yung away nun?
White clip
Expanse?
expanse.
Ay, sige. Sa
Solo King ba kalaban?
Sila ulit. Well,
Solo King or yung...
Saan na kayo?
zoning south.
Insurgents?
Blade.
Ano yan, Luna?
Gago, potion mo, tanga.
Potion? Ba't ako potion?
Kulang yung 4 sa smuggler. Mabilis din yan.
Okay na yan. Kaya yan. Hindi ka naman ginagamit masyado.
Hindi naman daw tatagal lang. Uy, mayabang.
Enclave, di ba? Enclave.
Ay, Cliffs na ka.
High Tree Glade po. South of the portal. Then go High Tree Cliffs.
Na-GA lang na na-GA yung insurgents
Call
kanina.
daw, GG call. Wala.
Ay,
Ay,
G
Ay,
call.
kung ako yan, Mega. Kung ako yan, Mega.
Wait
oo,
lang,
pero hindi tayo.
naliligaw ako din. Wait.
Pero pag
I'm lost.
nag-GT, patayin mo.
Madami
Ay,
daw
ay,
fire. Sabi nila.
Ay, GG. Tagay. Just wait, Lods. Content.
Kung ako yan, sige. Okay, tapos
Marami
pag
bang
nag-GT.
insurgents na kasama dun?
But still we're beatable. Pero open lang. Play our best
Out of
lang.
portal?
South.
Sa portal. Southwest.
Then southwest. Then southwest ng pod.
Remless BB girl?
Saan ka na, Shax?
I'm in Glade. Papazone sa southwest. May ginausap ako dito sa bahay. Hindi ko alam nag-zone na.
Okay,
Lang.
Tinsya na
Hold mo
Lods. Nagiinom
Hold mo.
Lods.
Sige lang.
Nagiinom Lods.
Hold
Yeah,
mo na.
wala ko ka-post.
May waga. Ba't hindi yan may waga?
Sayang yan, no?
Ba't hindi Miss Caller? Ba't book?
Mas mabilis yung
Casting.
may CDR na naman ako eh. Sabay na yung CD sa akin.
Yung cast time yung habol mo.
Yarp.
Yeah.
Sakto
Hindi
na
mag-yarp?
yung cooldown ng eco sa base. Hindi pre, mas wala kung may magtsasarot magbabase ako pre. Or bastion.
So ready na? Shax, dito ka na?
I'm on the map, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, full of jokes. Nice.
Feel ko din ako unahin nito. Di nakapag-engage yung RB nila kanina buong fight.
May main character na healer doon palagi sa loob din.
Yun yung kinacall out ko, Ainin.
Nag-purity sa atin? Tangin na, nag-purity sa harap.
Nag-purity sa harap natin.
Tinitingnan ko, madaming i-engage. Hindi, isa lang, guys. Dapat. Pwede yung bato nga na play. Pick up lang ba? If I see an opportunity, yes, I'll take it, boys. You know me. Yun,
Let's go.
Let's go.
Pero sayang yun eh.
Spawn fit na sa
Minus
tuwang.
1 yun eh.
Oh, spawn fit na sa tuwang opportunity.
Super main character yan. Feeling so...
I mean, it's healer nin, so it's worth our engage.
Eh, i-call out lang. I-call out nyo kung walang boots. Kung walang boots yung healer na i-call out nyo lang. Healer on us. Let the caller don't stress it out.
Feeling Songjin mo eh.
Sungnin mo.
Sabihin mo.
Wala mo
Nasa sila?
kabante to.
Oh, kanina pa yun doon eh. Alos buong fight nandun sa loob.
Dito po ko nagpuyo sila call. Lingaw ko dito sila. Gina-cancel ako tong Royal Jacket sa kuan.
Oh?
2 CD sila.
Oo, doon
Hindi
sila ka Royal
nakabili.
Jacket. Dagan ba ta? Pila rin ta kabuok. Sabi si Ladagan na rin ang to, no? Masibin.
Ala, dalawa yung perma. Your mama.
Okay na
yun.
yun.
Go off CD siguro siya. Pwede siya mag-off CD.
Dito tayo. Come. Coming na daw sila.
Pwede din. Isabay mo yung
Oh, na to ng outpost, no?
Your mama, you can go engage on the fake. Yeah. Engage on fake. Because if you pop 2 perma on main engage, the CC will get fucked.
Next time pre, pa-check ako ng shit pag hahabol.
Call, pasabi nga ng cooldown mo, like 5 seconds. Pag 5 seconds ka na.
Team arm.
Sige.
Karon
Pero yung
naman
5
guro
seconds
niya.
kasi nin.
Think
Hindi
coming.
5 seconds sa call. May matitirang 0.5 siguro. Oh,
Si Ninin bahala na. I-call out lang ninyo. Labi na, Rembreaker makakall na?
Ako.
Ay, unsa rin ka?
Vocal loads.
Sige,
Oh.
ako lang.
Pag 5 sal, pag 5. Inak.
Sige.
Rem, dire, re.
Fill up ko sa DFA ko.
Nabuhay ka pa pala doon, Scab? Hayop ka. 1 HP ka kanina.
Okay. Yung tapos yung nakamount up na boy.
Kala ko patay ka na, boy. Nabuhay ka pa pala.
Pre, tapos nakamount up siya, di ba? Tapos yung mount niya boy, 1 HP na lang din.
Oh, literal.
1 HP na lang din yung mount up niya boy. Nakasalubong ko siya eh. Yung nagre-remount ko eh. Putang ina, 1 HP na rin yung mount eh.
Natibay mo, ha?
Na-juke.
Mahal ka ng Diyos, ha? Nabuhay ka doon, ha? Puro brawler pa naman yun.
Hold mo na tayo.
Hindi ko ba na nasulod rin nun?
Kaming ng babo eh. Puta. Scam talaga.
Scam, maguro ta kay wala taning GG ganiya.
Hindi, walang
siguro.
beautiful ganun. Walang agreement.
Di ba layo man to, no? Oh? Saba?
Parang pinignos tayo par.
Gotche kaya ang 7-3 ko.
Dito na tayo. Dito na tayo. Taping. Bridge fight daw, bridge fight.
Hello?
Sabi.
Sabi complete objective.
Come to me. Bridge fight, make your way here. Taping.
Peng.
Sorry.
Samuel.
Wait.
700 kaya yan, Shaks? Spec?
Try ko nga mag-record.
Saan na siya?
Custom.
Nakabili ka na ng PC shop?
Hindi kayo mahilig kung ito lang eh. Naanda nung gala mo kay kana.
Tunnel na daw sila. Puta, nag-tunnel sila, Lod.
Talong-along gani. Oo.
Dito tayo.
Napol ano na yan sa bukid sa una, daggan yan eh. Isa kayo mahilig ko. Tapos lang ako mga design. Para wala siya. Ang CD na mo. Magwala pa man mga ulit. Ay, nana to yun. Nasa taas siguro.
Yeah, premium increase again. It's becoming 48 now. Slowly.
Premium, bro.
I think just RMT it, bro.
Yeah, okay, recorded.
Yeah, we
Okay, you're banned
tomorrow.
You just fucked yourself up, Till.
Create a new account again, Till, then fame form.
I'll just be okay. I guess I'll quit the game.
That's them.
Back to Russ.
We clipped it, Till. How much are you gonna pay for it?
Quit the game.
Go easy. I just play the Russ.
Guys, it's live, okay? It's fucking live.
Live?
Put up. GG call daw, ha?
Sinong kalaban niya?
GG call.
Insurgents, your best friend.
It's a good practice for me also. I'm a Pepega, you know? GG call.
Tang ina, Lods. Wala akong dalang food, Lod. Mali.
Saan yung Abarod? Puta, walang Abarod dito. Ah, yun. Layo.
Still messing?
Patay na ako pagdating ko dyan.
Hold lang, boys. Keep holding. We wait here.
Sila ba na?
The fuck? Where are they?
Where the fuck kaya?
Best, I don't get banned. At worst, I get banned. Doesn't matter. If they ban me, bye bye their money.
But still, it was just a joke.
Yeah. I literally say, officer, I buying money. And if they ban me, too bad lah. I'm funding
Actually,
them.
if you swipe once or twice, still, you're not gonna get
Pero no,
easily banned.
nasa likod na to.
Kaya sa likod mo, Mega.
I feel bad for them. I already swipe quite a lot, so I don't think they'll ban me.
Comes.
Okay.
Still no
Oh,
DA.
puta, naka-A3 sila Leo, mga
The OC, that's more like two screens.
Yo!
Camera. Ay, ewan ko kung
Lumab.
may patat. May may bomb squad sa east.
Nin, where are we gonna fight? East?
The other side of the bridge.
Hold. Dito lang,
No
dito.
PM
We're
though,
not
no
ready.
PM.
We're gonna push them. Not
Day
ready.
20.
Wala, gago, Mega, no battle mount daw. Ulul, tangina nila, balas mo dyan.
Hindi mo nakaway. Like, why did you do this? Hold.
Bakit? Nung lamang ba sila sa tao?
Mic B. Yo, your mic please. Don't open mic.
Mega, saan ka Mega? Hindi kita makita.
Wala tayong sinabi na ano, no? Pinalagan natin
Wala
sa last time.
sabi.
Yung last time na ano, ang dami nila. Come northeast, talaga, boys. Hold
Hindi,
it.
so sa northeast mo ng
Northeast mo, ito na, southeast mo. Facing yun lang.
Okay, hold mo na.
You whisper me something in Tagalog, but I can't speak.
Hold. Keep holding.
Careful northeast, may one shot shield.
Holding. Hold mo na. Hold up. Keep holding.
Kidnap na yan.
Hold. Wait. Hold lang. Faking. Hold. Inch up a bit, DPS. Hold. Inch up a bit, DPS. Hold. Ready, engage. Ready, sock front. Hold. Engage shallow to front. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Come back northeast. Guard zone choke. Come back northeast. Walk northeast. Walk northeast and then hold. Hold.
5.
And I'll make a
10 pa, 10.
Engaging.
Def. Full def.
Oh my god, Samoy.
Full stop. Easy. Put up us ready. 5,
Tiri.
3, 2, 1. Inside. Kill this guy. Hold. Come back. Reset. Hold. Keep holding. Paing, ano. Careful, paing. Hold.
10.
10, okay. Keep holding, boys. Where's Yam?
Hook engage
Lalo mo
na.
lahat ng demon dun para.
I'm gonna make a fake. You connect to Hodge, ah. Hold.
Okay.
Keep holding. I'm gonna make a fake. Taking. Hold lang. Hold. No more Yam. Wait mo na Yam. Hold. Faking.
Okay, fake with my double.
Shield engage. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Ready, def, front, ready, back. Full def. Guard zone.
Wala pa. Nahil yun.
Potion.
Jay.
Heals.
4.
Heals. I'm gonna make a fake. Faking lang. Hold. Keep holding. Hold, boys. Hold. Again, shield engage again. Shallow engage at the front. Shield engage ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shield.
Layo.
Come back.
Lunging. Defend.
Def. Na go on them. CC them. And look at the crown. Southwest deep. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest. Come, push.
Potion kayo.
Potion.
Defend. Ready.
Potion. Nice. Then keep going on them. Keep
Fighting back.
Look at the ground northeast. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow. Patay.
Loot guy.
Hold. Come back.
Careful.
Come back. Then hold. Spread. Def. Hold.
10.
Jay, go back. You have time to go back.
Mega, remount ako Mega.
Faking. Look at the ground. Ready? 5, 4,
3.
2, 1. Kill the caller. Come back, Southwest.
Battle mount, remount.
Resetting.
Come back, Southwest.
They have in 5.
20 seconds ako Mega. Wait lang.
Come back, Southwest. Hold. Keep holding.
Ba't di ka
10.
Yam, then I'll
We have Sarin.
Yam.
I can't hear. Again.
Can you kidnap and then I'll hook him. Ready,
Okay,
ready. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Engage shallow to front. Front. Then go back. Southwest. Go back southwest. Ready depth. Go back southwest. Go back to the hill front. Hill front. Then go on them.
I can stand.
Push
After J in, you can engage after J.
Push fucking through, boys.
Ace, hard this, all DPS, hard this man in.
East ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now.
Nice one in.
Loot.
Angle to northeast. Spread.
Defend. Gago.
Defend.
Heels up. And don't let them run away. Don't let them run. Hold. Look at the crowd. Ready? Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Count now. Come back southwest. Come back southwest.
Ready defend.
Edit pills. Come back southwest.
J.
Guard choke.
J.
Keep walking southwest.
Looking,
Engaging. Potion.
Depth. Then hold. Stabilize.
Nin, you can engage on me. You can engage.
4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow engage front. Come back southwest. Stabilize. And hold, boys.
I'm gonna delay them.
Hold, boys. Keep holding. Ready, soak front. Hold. Keep holding. I'm gonna make a fake. Faking. Hold. 5 seconds to engage, okay? Shallow engage east. Ready? Hold. Shallow engage east. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now. And then red. Come back southwest.
Tanks front. Looking tank front.
Southwest. Come back tanks. Depth.
Engage.
Lag fail.
Go on them.
Still have engage.
Go.
Wala na.
Nin, DJ ko lahat ng DPS, Nin.
Go.
J ko lahat DPS.
Go.
East mo, puro DPS yan.
I'm gonna make a faking. Now look at the crown.
Southeast mo, Nin, southeast east.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast.
Nice one.
Now ready defend.
Color ko engaging.
Come northeast.
Bakit yung nag-choke? Bakit yung nag-choke?
Come back to the show. Come northeast. Potion. Depth. Full depth. Come northeast, boys.
Looking.
Looking.
J.
Pila.
Look at the crown. I'm gonna faking. Hold.
Can I have some heals?
Hold. Now look at the crown. Southwest ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest. Padilid. Come southwest. Breathe.
I need health.
Breathe.
Thank you, sir.
Keep going, breathe. Come back.
Looking na.
Engaging.
Depth. Heals. I'm gonna make a faking.
Nin, you want me to J them? So you can engage on the J.
Okay, go
Guys,
shock.
on the J.
Go shock. G.
Ito, Nin, puro, ito, puro DPS to. East.
Go. Look at the ground. Hold.
Northeast mo, puro healer yan.
Northeast ready.
Ayan,
5,
Sara mo mismo.
4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast.
Nice one.
And then ready. Potion here. Potion. Kiss and doubles. Come back southwest.
Ready there.
Come back southwest.
Defend.
Demon. Now make a faking. Boys, one and done. Please. I need everyone to connect.
North.
Go on them. Look at the crowd now. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice one, boys. GG.
Oh, loot.
Basta GG, boys.
Okay, patayin nyo. Gago. Walang GG dito.
Careful.
Pular ko load, 7-3.
They can still engage. Find the good CS player.
Uy, gago. Kill. Stop fighting that shit.
Faking.
Defend.
J.
Look at the crowd. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West. 2, 1. West.
GG.
GG daw.
Oh,
Stop eating.
Utang nila, papatayin
Stop
ko,
eating.
Wag na.
Ang ina mo, Mega, ako na to.
Wag na. Lods. Wag na.
Pinatay dito.
Kalma. Uy, GG na po eh. Wag niyo patayin eh. Legit.
New drama.
Ako na to, Mega.
Naman tayo sa FP niyan.
Yeah, wag na.
Kulang bomb squad yata, feel ko.
Boys, there's something wrong on my route. Sorry.
Agi, sorry, napupul ko ng malayo konti.
Did you guys, loot up? Hindi naman eh.
Buhay ang 70 doll.
Ala, yung mga 7-3 nila hindi namatay. Puro 8 lang,
Let's
9.
go, let's get back.
May
Nabuhay yung
nakapag-
A3. Nabuhay yung
May
A3.
A3.
Nasa akin yung A3. Nasa akin yung A3.
Nasa yun, no? Oo.
Oo.
Nakamark yan dyan, di ba?
Oo.
Pwede na ka sa inside, Lods. Layo kayo ma-engage,
Ano buhay? Nabuhay ang
Oh, buhay daw yung A3. Wait lang.
Hindi pa kayo.
Mega
Parang
wait.
Boral Clap.
Bold review. Sige na.
Hindi pa kayo, no?
Sige na,
Bro,
sige na.
nasagir mo. Nasagir mo sila, Bird.
Barge, ganun. Barge, GA ko na yung gusto ko engage yan yun kasi sobrang layo ng mong engage. Kaya ganun lang ginawa ko para make sure na ma-engage yan.
Lods, I see fake Lods. Pwede na ito ma-engage. Nakakig scenario na pwede dito engage yan, Dod. Lamig kayong maklam, legit.
Ang kulit ang
Diba?
Then,
Nakakig scenario na ang clam.
Then-
Ito, huge kayo.
wala kang pagkainin.
Kaya nung nag-call na ako
Jesus,
ng i-GA ko yung engage mo para may maabutan.
Yun mo
Kasi hindi nakakaabot yung ibang
Ako sa
PS.
ako sa gilagas. Okay, pakikita ko sa 7-3 nga doon so. Sige siya chat, turag katulusan ni chat og GG. Taipan mo na ako gula ko pake.
Ito ko ngayon nahabol ni Dopi, pre. Nag-GG siya, pre. Pinapatay.
Guild leader namin yan. Sorry.
Lobsterino, di ka nakaintindi. Dito si Lobster bobo.
Ay, si Lobster gumamit niyan sa Wild Dogs nag-call.
Ha?
Sal. Oh, si Lobster gumamit. Dupi, oh. So tell me what's wrong there?
Bold, ayo, pag istorya, pag walay bold, kinalag bold review lagi.
Ano mo na, yung mali doon.
Di, okay naman, dili ka kadakop og W, og dili kay ka mo engage sa, di ka mo punish,
Patay kayong kanlad, pati na kayo sa pinasitigad sa...
Umbot, nga nang, apo kagi ka na na.
Tagalog, sir. Tagalog, sir.
What?
Kina mo ko.
English, sir. We have international, sir.
Ay, English.
Ay, Lobster, galit na pala sila sa'yo ah.
Ah,
Galit na sila sa'yo.
Pinapatay mo lang.
bakit?
Nag-GG na, hinabol mo pa yung 7-3 nila eh.
Hinahabol ni Dofi the Badman. Eh, si Lobsterino yun, si Dofi.
Hello?
Lobster
If you
yun.
got loot, fast search na lang. Kasi where's,
Ako yan.
Tapos na tayo na.
Tapos na, Lods.
Ang
Sabi
ina
na-
namatay yung 8-3, pre. Siya ba yung na-first engage?
Ano muna tayo, ha?
Bobo
Daily-
mo, Lobsterino.
Guys, daily T8 muna tayo. If Sugoy on, we go Gucci, okay? Now, ano muna tayo? Practice. Wala, wag na. Like, Gucci lahat. Wag na. Pati ako, need ko din ng like, I need to regain my,
Hindi ko nga nakabol, may problema ka ata sa pag-isip. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Badman nga Badman. If you got loot in one, and then, yes. We board review now.
Wala na yung fight.
Hindi kayo na mag-board loads. I need to, nood lang muna.
Nazar, the name speaks for itself.
Ha?
The name speaks for itself.
Gitsatan mo ako siya. Yes, sir. I need help. I need professional help.
Si break na.
Wala ako pake. Si Lobster yung kilala nila. Akala nila si Lobster naglalaro.
Luyang lobster eh.
Yung
Sumangin lang.
Yung tunay na badman na pala.
Yeah, no tayo kay, POB ni Cole. The Perma Gamer. May nagrarandom ina Perma. Sino yan? Your mama.
Kaka-accept lang sa guild.
Hindi, yun yung fake.
Yun yung fake.
Kasi double perma.
Kasi pag nag-double permanent, makaka-cancel yung
Bro,
CC.
pressure bet to. Naka-royal sandal siya na mag-QQ siya. Pwede bet.
Pwede.
Pasensya ka na, Lobster. I died like a dog kasi.
Yun na. Drop the board na so we can sleep, guys. We need to be, like, madalian lang.
GG's, boys.
GG Sharks, thanks for coming.
Thank you, Hawks. JJ's.
Ano lang, taud-taud one.
Silver gear pala dito. Silver gear.
No, hindi loads. Ano lang? Zero loads.
Item Lager Lots. The guild is poor.
We are poor as fuck.
We started from the scratch. Ano? Kalmot. Walang nagpa-fan dito na guild.
Okay.
Na ano lang, naipon lang yan through ano. Through PvP namin.
Stealing.
Winning kami sa
Wala akong
winning
vote.
like sa Thetford kami, winning kami like 100% win rate kami doon. Brawl yung kalaban. That's why ano, madami-dami
Orang
yan.
100%.
So, 100%
Oh! Legit.
Sure, lagi ko lahat tama.
Nagigit-git may tarito ka ng brawler.
Pag sure, eh. Mayor ang pagtatrigan pag abot. Kaya wala yung burol na rin.
Ito na na-figure out ba ang kuan, the problem ba? Dito nagsugod loads. What I mean.
Oh my god, ito
Okay.
no. Ang daming Gucci, par. Till this is my rigger, okay? Give me this shit.
Guys, you can play VOD. Come on, come on.
Okay, wait. I need to
May waga, legit.
handle
Wala
the
ka-
recordings.
Ha?
Pwede na ba yun
Legit
sa
yun?
akin?
Yung ano?
Ligir mo, 43M?
Oh, I got partial
Putang ina yan. Ba't ganun?
Hindi ko kinukuha, pre. Nag-aantay ako ng Gucci. Pero okay lang. Hindi naman may silver pa rin.